Welcome. I am Sharon from Sharon Shed Signs and Designs, and so I am going to do this. I'm going to use Dixie Belle Soft Pink to start with. But I'm going to paint these taped in areas with this soft pink. And I just used the wide frog tape to tape this off. I'm bad about wasting a lot of tape. If you guys want to buy stock and frog tape, it'd probably pay off. Let's see. I think I need to move this way to start. And I'm going to use a foam brush and Dixie Belle Muscadine wine. I'll do that and then I'll dry this, which should just take a second. I'll start down here because that's going to be the top, I think. Yeah. Make sure. Sometimes I get them done and I have the top at the opposite ends on the two sides. All right. We are going to get started here. The stamps that I am going to use tonight are this romantic vintage set. I think it's really pretty. See, I thought that color would look pretty with the board, that color. I think I'm going to put this one at the top. I really like that. It's so pretty. Almost got it down. All right, I'm going to put this in the center. Okay, I'm working my paint up into the bristles of my brush, about halfway. And then I'm going to offload so that I don't have any shiny, gloppy paint anywhere. Okay. Then my last one that I'm going to do is this one. So it'll be what it'll be. I'm not going to edge this now because we've got 15 minutes, and so I think I can do my other project in that amount of time. But here's this one. So I hope you can see that all. I think it's pretty. For the next one, I have this idea. And I'm going to use Fusion Mineral Paint Eucalyptus, which is kind of maybe an odd color for... Now, my plan. I don't know if it's going to work. And I don't know if I can do it upside down, but we'll see. All right, I want to put the balloons down first because I want them to look like they're in the back of the truck. So that's my plan anyway. So I don't know how this idea is going to work, you guys, but I thought it would be cute, so we're going to try it. If it is, you shouldn't have any problems. Okay, got it all. So I think that's cute. Okay, then up here I was going to do Be Mine. I love this Chinoiserie set anyway. It's got some really pretty rub-ons. I like the pink and the green together. Be Mine. So I think that's cute. I may edge the... All right, so we got this project, and if you missed it, this one. And that you have a wonderful day, whatever you do, whether you're home by yourself crafting or you're with family. I hope you enjoy what you do. And I love you guys. Glad to see you all, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.